Yo, some closing thoughts here during my time vlogging with the Pixel 4 as a day-to-day. I'm just barely in France, still at the airport waiting to go back home. One of the things I noticed while vlogging with the Pixel 4 and using it as a day-to-day on holiday, as it were, is the fact that when I'm back home, I never used to run out of battery life on this regular Pixel 4. It's not the XL, so it's got the smaller battery. I never ever run out of battery when I'm back home doing my day-to-day mundane things. However, while in France, because I'm using GPS more, I don't know where I'm going or I'm getting lost, I'm having to use more apps, it did run out of battery nearly every day. So I was carrying a power bank to top it up, just hanging out my back pocket, plugged it into the Pixel 4 and then away you go. So that's one thing to bear in mind. Secondly is the fact that comparing it to a dedicated camera, this is always better because it's always in your pocket. So with carrying a dedicated camera, it's more bulk. When you're out and about in a foreign country, you don't want to be weighing yourself down in your backpack with another device that you have to carry. And if it's a mobile device like this, or any other mobile phone for that matter, as long as you've got a good camera, then you should be all good. Just whip it out of your pocket, take some pics or use it to get around the city. So in that respect, a smartphone camera is always going to be the best camera that you have on you, just purely because of the ease of use, unless you like carrying around a special dedicated point and shoot or a DSLR or something like that. And point three is the lack of wide angle lenses. So I'll leave a link to the previous videos that I've been shooting here in Paris, France, and you would have seen that the picture quality, whether it's stills or photos, is much closer to the subject. It would have been good to have a wide angle lens, particularly like we had in the Pixel 3. You had two selfie cameras, a wide angle as well, so if you wanted to get more people in the shot, you could easily do that, but you can't do that with this Pixel 4. Similarly, even with a rear facing shooter, that lack of a wide angle lens does limit what you can take. You have to either move away from the subject or just be forced to take a up close photo image. And with that in mind, I would still say the best camera is the one that you have on you, no matter what it is, because it's better than taking no photos at all. However, if you're going to be choosing another device, of your old one's out of contract and you're going to be renewing a device, bear in mind, if you're going to be doing some traveling and you're a photo taker, get a wide angle lens as well, whether it be the front or the back or both. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it certainly gives you a variety of pictures that you can take when you're out and about. There we have it, guys. That's been my time with the Pixel 4 out here in France, Paris. Do let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Cheers.